Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. We're so glad to have you here. Today we're diving into how to stay focused and avoid distractions during study sessions, which is crucial. Whether you're prepping for an exam or working on a big project, staying focused is key to success. I'll be sharing tips and tricks to help you maintain focus for longer periods. Let's dive in and get started. Let's start with the foundation of any good study session, your environment. Imagine sitting at a cluttered desk with scattered papers and empty coffee mugs. Not inspiring, right? A cluttered desk can be a constant reminder of everything else you need to do. Create a dedicated study space that screams focus, clean, organized, and free from distractions. Keep only the essentials within arm's reach. Minimize the number of tabs you have open, and silence those tempting notifications. By creating a clean and organized environment, you're clearing the runway for your brain to take off into focused work. We live in a world of constant notifications, pings, and buzzes. It's almost impossible to escape the digital noise that surrounds us every day. The biggest culprit? Our phones. They are always within arm's reach, making it easy to get distracted. Every time you check a notification, you're ripping yourself out of your focus zone. This constant interruption can severely impact your productivity and concentration. Go on a digital detox. Put your phone on Do Not Disturb or turn it off during study sessions. This simple step can help you maintain your focus for longer periods. If you need your phone for studying, use apps designed to block distracting websites and apps like Freedom, which can help you stay on track. Forest and Serene. Close social media tabs, mute notifications, and eliminate any potential distractions. Consider using website blockers on your laptop. These tools can prevent you from accessing distracting sites while you work. The goal is to create a distraction-free environment both physically and digitally. A clean and organized workspace can significantly boost your productivity. By minimizing digital distractions, you're giving your brain the permission it needs to fully immerse in the task at hand. This deep focus is essential for effective studying. Trust me, your productivity will thank you. You'll find that you can accomplish more in less time. Remember, your focus fortress is both a physical and digital space. Protect it, and you'll see the benefits in your work and study habits. Let's talk time management. It's a skill that can transform your productivity and help you achieve your goals more efficiently. Ever sat down to study and found yourself staring blankly at your textbook an hour later? It's frustrating, right? You feel like you've wasted precious time. Enter the Pomodoro technique, your new secret weapon. This method is designed to keep you focused and make the most out of your study sessions. Grab a timer and set it for 25 minutes. This is your dedicated work period. Focus solely on your work during this time. Dive deep into your tasks and give them your full attention. No checking your phone, no browsing the web, just pure, unadulterated work. Eliminate all distractions to maximize your productivity. Once the timer goes off, reward yourself with a 5-minute break. Stretch, walk around, or grab a quick snack. After 4 rounds, take a longer break of 15 to 30 minutes. This helps you recharge and maintain your energy levels. The Pomodoro technique breaks down your work into manageable chunks. It makes large tasks seem less daunting and more achievable. This makes your work feel less overwhelming and helps you maintain focus for longer periods. You'll find yourself getting more done in less time. Trust me, once you experience the Pomodoro power-up, you'll wonder how you ever studied without it. It's a game changer for your productivity. It's like the espresso shot your study sessions have been craving. Give it a try and see the difference it makes. Let's talk about breaks. Strategic breaks are not the enemy, they're your secret weapon against burnout. During those 5-minute breaks, resist the urge to scroll through your phone. Opt for activities that re-energize your mind and body. Movement is key. Stretch, do jumping jacks, or take a quick walk. Give your eyes a break by focusing on something in the distance. Try a quick mindfulness exercise. Close your eyes, take deep breaths, and focus on the present moment. Breaks are a necessity for maintaining focus and productivity over long periods. Step away from your work and give yourself permission to recharge. You'll come back feeling refreshed and ready to tackle anything. Let's be honest. Our minds often resemble a browser with 20 tabs open. While we can't control the thoughts that pop into our heads, we can control how we react to them. Mindfulness helps us become aware of distracting thoughts without letting them derail our focus. Try deep breathing. Inhale slowly through your nose for 4 counts, hold for 4, and exhale through your mouth for 4. This simple act of focusing on your breath brings your attention back to the present moment. Another technique is to observe your thoughts without judgment, like clouds passing by in the sky. With regular practice, you'll be amazed at how much calmer and more focused your mind becomes. Let's talk about goals. Setting vague goals like study more is like setting off on a road trip without a destination. Instead, opt for SMART goals: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. A specific goal is clearly defined, like review chapters 3 and 4 on cell biology. A measurable goal can be tracked, like write 500 words of my essay. An achievable goal is realistic within the given time frame. A relevant goal aligns with your overall objectives. A time-bound goal has a deadline. By setting SMART goals, you're creating a series of mini-challenges, each contributing to your overall study success. Let's talk about comfort. It's often overlooked but incredibly vital for effective studying. Creating a comfortable study environment can make a world of difference. It can boost your productivity and keep you motivated. Assess your study space. Is your chair comfortable for long periods? Consider an ergonomic chair. It supports your posture and reduces strain. Good lighting is crucial for focus and preventing eye strain. Poor lighting can lead to headaches and fatigue. Study in a well-lit area with natural light or a good desk lamp. Natural light can also improve your mood. Temperature matters. Find your sweet spot and adjust your study space accordingly. Too hot or too cold can be distracting. Don't underestimate the power of scent. Aromas can influence your concentration and relaxation. Scents like lavender or peppermint can improve focus. They can also help reduce stress and anxiety. Use a diffuser or light a scented candle to create a calming atmosphere. This can make your study sessions more pleasant. Your study environment should be a place where you feel comfortable and focused. Personalize it to suit your needs. By creating a study sanctuary that caters to your comfort needs, you'll be more productive. A well-organized space can also reduce stress. Trust me, your study sessions will become more enjoyable. You'll look forward to your study time, making learning a more pleasant experience. Let's talk about self-kindness. We live in a world that glorifies the hustle, but expecting perfection is unsustainable. Remember, you're human, not a machine. It's okay to have off days and make mistakes. Cultivate self-kindness by acknowledging that it's okay to not be perfect. Treat yourself with the same compassion you would offer a friend. Talk to yourself with kindness, acknowledge your efforts, and celebrate your accomplishments. The journey of learning is a marathon, not a sprint. Be kind to yourself throughout the process and embrace the ups and downs. Practice self-compassion when you struggle to focus or feel overwhelmed. Remind yourself that you're doing the best you can and that your worth is not defined by your productivity. Self-kindness is essential for sustainable success and well-being. So those are my top tips for avoiding distractions and staying focused during study sessions. To recap, organize your study space, manage distractions, use time management techniques like Pomodoro, take breaks, and practice mindfulness. And most importantly, don't forget to be kind to yourself during the process. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more productivity and study tips. Let me know in the comments what techniques you use to stay focused. Until next time, happy studying.